Hello and welcome everyone, my name is Caden with Dragon Horde Studios, and today we are showcasing off the final build for our early playtest demo. So here we have the redone headquarters section. Just has some better pieces in place for navigations and collision meshes, and some actually new fire effects, along with actual like sound of rain and all that good stuff. But this isn't really where everything is to show off. That goes on to the next area, which is a fully playable area that is the gray box version of the idea I have for the environment that you'll be playing in. As you can see, everything is working and is functional. If we get into the light, we have our weapon swapping, we have everything in place. As you did see, the scout is red, and if you click on it, it will do nothing. There is still some issues with that I'm just not going to have it be out for this early playtest build. I still need to work on it. So it's the only thing that's not open to test. Everything else is free game though. The AI pathing, the shooting, the AI reacting to the player, running away, they'll be on the patrol paths, going back and forth, reloading is in function. Everything that you have seen previously thus far is in this. The only new thing will be the health station, which if you take any damage during this playtest, you can find one of those, heal up. But yeah, this is the full build, the full test build. You guys can go ahead and go down to the link below. It'll take you to my website where you can join my mailing list. You can receive the playtest through that. There will also be a link to the Google Doc, so you guys can get it from there. Next to it will also just be the survey. So when you guys get done playing, you guys can go to that survey, leave your feedback, your comments, just telling me how things feel, how things look so far. Just a reminder, all of this is not final in any sort of capacity. There is a lot that needs to be tweaked and done. I know of a few things that I am going to be working on as this playtest goes out. So this playtest will go on for 2 weeks. It'll be from April 10th to April 24th. The 24th of April, yes. That's the many times I'll leave the survey up and open. I will still leave the build out intact. I won't be deleting that. People can still poke around on it if they want. But come that 24th of April, I will be removing the survey and then condensing that into the usable data that I will drive the future focus and effort beyond this next phase. But with that, yeah. I hope you guys can see the idea that I'm going for, at least for this area. This is all going to be some sort of hub station. I don't know if it's going to be, as you can tell, and probably get that Halo 3 ODST vibe, that this would be like a space elevator. This may turn into a terminal station. I don't know if it'll be monorail, if we'll go underground for subways. But this will be the sort of travel hub areas. That'll be the connecting point between different sections of the city. And so with this, I want to kind of get this rough idea out, and then we can figure out, hey, again, just like in Halo 3 ODST, you have those large wall segments with the doors closed that you walk through and you go to different sections. That's how I'm gonna build this, and so this will be the first section. This will be like the this will be the universal section between all the districts in the city, or at least what I maybe consider major districts. So this will be, this will be one of the key icons that you'll see in the distance, although you always know you can head towards to, move somewhere else. So with this shape in place and this idea now starting to come to life, it's just a minor fine tweaks to, letting you inside, certain buildings, making unique certain buildings, getting a good size idea for this section, and then we can, have those door pathways that connect to different sections and really start building out this city. But that'll all come in a future day, and that future day will be here eventually. So if you want to see that, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, hit that noti bell, leave a comment, and again, link below to join the mailing list, and also go to the Google Doc to get the access to this playtest build. You got 2 weeks, April 10th to April 24th, to leave your comments and reviews on the survey. After the 24th, I will be gone, but you are always free to leave comments on the YouTube videos. And with that, I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time.